Our final stop brings us to HT Group, a powerhouse in automotive products and services. Making a strong statement at MIAPEX 2023 show, HT Group showcased the latest from Nexen Tire and Varta alongside Energizer automotive batteries and Brembo brake pads. Discover how the Nexen N3 GX tire is setting new standards for performance and comfort, while their new Tire Hub web ordering portal revolutionizes tire ordering for dealers across Malaysia. Join us as we delve into HT Group's rich history, extensive service network, and unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. For a glimpse into the future of automotive excellence, stay tuned to the Tyreman website.